Now, when the snow does start to fly well after dark, 7, 8, 9 o'clock is when those snow showers are going to develop. Those temperatures are going to be falling down towards freezing. So that is going to allow for a light accumulating snowfall on the order of about a quarter to a half of an inch by the end of the day tomorrow. So that's including tonight and all day on Friday. That will start to pick up a quarter to a half of an inch. Nothing that you really are going to have to break out the snow blowers or the shovels for, but enough that you'll probably have to dust the car off tomorrow morning. Those snow showers are going to continue to ramp up here through the overnight hours. And by tomorrow morning, they will become light lake effect snow showers and snow flurries. They will start to wind down overnight on Friday and into Saturday. We're just left with a few clouds hugging the lakeshore, and most of us will be seeing that sunshine returning before more snow takes over on Sunday. A lot of this is going to be during the morning hours, but still could see some lingering snow showers into the afternoon and evening, with this being the snowfall that we will see on Sunday. So this is taking out anything that we will see tonight and Friday. This is all just Sunday on your screen right now. A half an inch to an inch of snowfall is going to be likely here for the end of the weekend. That's not even taking into account our third snow chance on Monday, which would likely be the heaviest of the three if the storm system gets close enough to us. Now, the models still do not want to agree on what they want to do with this system. It looks like they're starting to push it more north, which would put us in the threat for heavier snowfall on Monday.